Welcome, my friend. Zed is here again. It has been a long time with no video, but here am I. And as you see the screen, today will be a really interesting topic for me, and it's what is time in trading for me and how I use it. And like every time, I am just jumping straight into the chart and explaining what I have to. First, what's time for me? Mainly open, high, low, close, the power of 3 of every single candle. Q zones, London, New York, Asia, PM, quarterly theory, quarterly cycles, SSMT, TPD things. I mainly look for SSMTs if I look. I mean, it's not necessary for me. And the look back 2460, I don't look at that either. I'm mainly using the open, high, low, close and the Q zones. It's pretty enough for me. If anyone is using this, great. So I'm starting straight into the chart, explaining and fast easy thing. Open, high, low, close. Let me make it like this. So open, high, low, close. Great. Okay, so what is this for me? Actually, what it is, it's how a candle develops. Bullish and bearish candle. So a bullish candle is open, low, high, close, open, low, put a low, high, close. This is bullish candle, and bearish candle is this: open, high, low, and close. That's it. Now, how to use that in your advantage? Every time a new week, a new day, a new month, a new quarter, a new year, if you want, opens, you mark the opening and the closing time of the current higher time frame candle that you're trading. If you are a position trader, you might trade a yearly candle, whatever, just your higher time frame. I don't know what you find. Let's say I'm using the monthly candle, I'm and a new month opens, so I mark the opening and the closing time. Okay, like this. Let me explain it. Okay, so the next thing that you have to look for is what's the order flow, where price is headed to, and how we will get there. So to set a low, you need a key level made back in the chart, right? So price will open, it will do something until we tap a key level to form the low, change the order flow, then OT, kiss of that into the draw liquidity and close, whatever. That's it. The price will be stopped at a key level or liquidity pool. It's the same thing, right? Key levels are internal range liquidity too. So yeah, like that. This is how a low is set for a bullish candle, and the high also is set with soup but into opposing PDRA on the left again. That's it. Vice versa. Not going 10 times in the same thing. Key level open, high key level, right? Like that. Okay. Easy. That's for every candle, monthly, weekly, daily. For daily, you're looking for Asia, London, New York, PM. For weekly, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, right? Thursday, Friday cap the week. Monday to Wednesday set one end. Yeah, okay. And like that, okay. Yearly candle is what? First 3 quarters, second, like Q1 to 3. Same thing. Every candle, even the 4 hour is for 1 hour candle. So yeah, you get it. Okay, that's it. Open, high, low, close for every candle. Key level, adding to that low in key time, go up. That's it. You have things like let me get the text. Where is it? Like that. Okay, you have Q of year, meaning Q1 to 3, highest probability Q2 to 3. Okay, right. For a monthly candle, let me make it like that. It's week 2 3, highest probability. Also week 1 can be added like Q1, because like Monday it forms lows. For expansion monthly candle, week 1 will give you the low, right? Easy. Okay, then weekly candle, it's what? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. highest probability for this, use this. Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Wednesday, fading. Of course, Wednesday can be classic expansion, so you can add it, but these are the main days that I look to trade. Okay, for a daily candle, make it like that. Okay, it's London Q zone and New York Q zone, highest probability. Of course, in expansion candle again, Asia can form the low, London continuation, New York 2, right, 3 session expansion profile. Continuing the 4-hour candles, there are key times. Now take it like this: week of month, day of week, time of day, and time within the time of day, meaning London Q zone have key times like 3 a.m. New York Q zone have key times like 8:30, 9:30, 10. These and these are important when there are news. This is important because of what? Because of the New York Stock Exchange open, right? Easy, that's it. This is London Stock Exchange. Also, a key time for the day is 00, the midnight open. It's liquidity. Everything from this is for the higher liquidity injection time for the exact candle, right? Yeah, that's it. This is the higher probability to look low and highest to form, times for subs, for key level taps, for everything, you know. That's it. Open, high, low, close, and the Q zones. Q zones simply just a moment. Q zones meaning when a low is formed in Asia, it will be lower probability than if formed in London, right? Because Asia can engineer the liquidity, London can swoop and flip, waiting for what? New York OT to take the expansion for the single daily candle, right? Meaning this can be potentially your candle open, form the low, form the high, let's say like this, and close. This is your single daily candle, right? This one. With 2 weeks formed in the sessions. That's it. So the same thing. If you're trading a single daily candle, learn to profile the sessions. Meaning, if Asia is forming the low, London have 2 ways to be: OT, expansion, New York continuation, or it can be London range, New York OT expansion, right? London as a range for New York to swoop and continue with Asia sponsorship. Yeah, whatever, that's it. Everything you have to know. Now, how to use it. Okay, taking some example. Let's see let's see here. This is a beautiful thing. Going to the monthly chart. Quarterly, okay, better. Perfection range. How did the candle form? Q1 of the year, right? Open soup, expansion to the key level. Now, if the market is bullish, what will happen when we drop below a low, right? Which is key level also. What will happen? Rejection, okay? If this is like that, what is this candle doing currently? This is what March open low key level. Okay, the weeks open low, midpoint of the candle coming. Midpoint came from the reversal, so I can expect this to happen and to get back at least to the opening price in the next weeks, meaning this comes as close as possible, you know. Even there it can be like this and expansion, meaning how would I execute the highest probability week? Week 3 comes, right, with a key level sponsorship, with candle which is open low, right? Key level, open high low close, key time meaning week 3 is coming. Key time in the week 3 is Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, right there. Notice, yeah. So you can mark it. This is too much, you know. You just mark, if you're trading the single weekly candle, you mark the weekly open, weekly close. That's it. You're executing in key times, meaning just let me make it to be easier for me. Marking the days. Let's not predict the whole week, but let me say it like that just to be a little bit clearer. Okay, 1 hour is good. How can a higher probability week form, including time? To have a bullish week, I need open low key level, right? So Monday, talking about candle development, right? A weekly candle development, okay. To form a bullish key level on Monday, which can be used in Wednesday, let's say. This is clear example, not advice, not shit. I need a bearish Monday, meaning I can expect open high, soup in Monday, right? To form bearish candle into then Tuesday, which is the London of the weekly candle, Q2, right? Like the second session of the day. Be potentially low of the week into Wednesday, classic expansion, and like that. Now my expectation is exactly this: open high soup, like this, drop down. Tuesday low of the week. Wednesday potentially can be like this. Thursday continuation, Friday too. This is my expectation, but mainly talking about that, my thing is to go up there. It cannot happen in 1 week, I think, because that's 400 pips. This will be crazy, but in 2 weeks it can happen. Now talking in time, I am profiling in two things currently. It's the open low high close and the key days, 1 2 3 4 5 days, right? The highest probability for me, Monday, this, and also that one can be, of course, depends on how the profile forms and when. The important thing you have to know is that every single candle have open high low close, and the key times, again, the daily candle is London, New York. Session profiling comes for the daily candle. For the weekly candle, choosing your days with, let me say it like that, their hit rate. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday are my favorite days. Also Wednesday, right? Let's add it, okay. But now I'm focusing on this too, mainly. One end, opposing end, potentially, right? Okay, now for the monthly candle, your key times are what? Week 2, 3. Week 2, 3. Main key times, right? Okay, like this. Adding the key times to the sessions. Let me go there. Time of day within time of day, right? Time of day. Let's say it like that. Okay. Time of day meaning key times is midnight open, which is 12 a.m. New York time, right? 3 a.m. London open, 9:30 New York open. Also, these candles, this is 9 a.m. candle, this is 3 a.m. candle, this is 12 a.m. candle, right? These and these have open low high close too, and open high low close. You can use that there too. You profile, and how to make it one more time. You have fixed things, fixed values, the opening and the closing, and what happens between that is your part to take and to manage, to make money with it, which is the open low key level, high liquidity key level, close. Always key level. Without a key level, the low will not form, or you can form a low, but it will be not high probability as a stop loss, right? Because it will not be sponsored. This is why you need a key level. This is why you need practice to find the correct key level. This is why you need someone to to drag you out of the dust, to have a shoulder to put on when you need, and you need a mentor, right? So choose wisely. I'm here, I'm open for you. Currently I have only one-on-one mentorship and the RTP, and I have to see it for the RTP, and everyone who wants to join can join. Also, my students are already taking payouts. One of them, the owner, his name, took out 250 to 500, sorry, $2,500 from Lucid Trading payout, first payout ever from him. This is good. I have like, I think 6 or 7 students already with certificates for past accounts. So you can be too, you can start taking payouts, you can start doing that. Just please listen to me. Stop listening to okay, let's not be bad. Don't listen to everyone. Choose wisely. I'm here. If you need me as your mentor, you can find me in the Telegram. I'm always posting something about that because people send me questions. Yeah, you can join. I'm there. Be safe and have a great day or night. Zed was here. I hope you enjoyed. Drop your comment. Thank you for watching.